So I'm kind of learning Python again because of preparation of all those things from Tech with Tim. I'm gonna learn quickly, brush up beginners, then intermediate, and all those things. But I have thought of something, and I just thought to tell you guys as well about it. It's a simple thing, okay? Simple thing as a simple tongue. So the thing is, you must have attracted borderlines all your life, just like me, because I have attracted borderlines and NPDs all my life. All my life, these are the two personalities who were my friend and my anything else. Any interactions, any acquaintance were these borderlines and NPD. Any girl which I was interested in any relationship, Papa, BPD. Some were codependent as well, but those were like very, very, very nice friends. I did have very nice friends as well. But mostly it was BPDs and NPDs. So the idea which I thought to get rid of that thing is you have to have somebody else do the thinking for you. Somebody else will think for you, make decisions for you, and all the judgment and everything else has to be done by that person for you, like a friend or a brother or a sister, because you yourself are attracting the shit people, or you might be a shit people, you might be a shit person. So this is also a big concept that is called as arranged marriage. What's the concept of arranged marriage? Somebody else do the decision making, somebody else do the talking, and they lay the groundwork foundation, and then you will do the talking and everything else. I mean, things may fall apart there as well, but at least you are not the one who's taking the decision. Your brain is not the one who's taking the decision. Chances are you may meet a BPD NPD after that as well, but having somebody else do that decision making for you, having multiple brains do that decision of judgment and everything else, could be a solution for you, that you may not attract somebody with a BPD or NPD. This is the only chance, because your eyes cannot see the mentally stable person. Your eyes cannot see that. That person just walk by you and you won't even recognize that. You won't even see that person. No, you won't, because you want that spice. So by the time you heal yourself, by the time you understand the meaning of stability, it will be too late. It certainly will be too late, and you will be crossing 40 age as well. So you would have to have somebody else do the thinking. Somebody else will be walking. Somebody else will be doing all those things. That person could be an narc as well. Anybody, but not you.